From a project management perspective, our clients have approached us on a wide spectrum of resources, from portfolio managers to program managers to project managers to project schedulers to cost engineers to construction managers on site to document controllers on site and at head office, and to clerical clerks on site, contract administrators. So we cover the full gamut of whatever resource or human capital is required on a project. So it is more from project managers to every single type of resource or skill required on a project. What we're finding in the industry now is governance is key. Governance is key. And that's the document control, site control, governance of contracts, and we're finding a huge demand on our governance and document controllers at this point in time. I think in 2 or 3 years' time, I think that's going to move to database specialists, to data analysis on projects. So we're going to be looking at resources on projects that work with data, because that's where we are. Never losing sight that we won't have the document controllers, but we're seeing the angles change as technology changes, as lessons learned are required. But we cover every single area. You can ask us for any resource, and we'll find those resources in place in your project and anywhere in the world. 56 countries to date.